Let f be a bounded function defined on closed interval ab, and let p be a partition of closed interval ab. If p star be a refinement of the p, then l p star f is greater than lower bound of partition f, and upper bound of partition p star f is less than upper bound of p f. Let p is equal to a x0 x1 x2 so on xi minus 1 xi so on xn equals to b be a partition of closed interval ab, and mi and small mi be the least upper bound and greatest lower bound respectively of the f of x in xi minus 1 xi closed interval for I equals to 1 2 and so on. And so L is equal to pf lower bound of partition pf is equal to sigma I varying from 1 to n small mi delta I is less than equal to, and upper bound of partition p of function f is equal to sigma I varying from 1 to n capital Mi delta I, where delta I is equal to xi minus 1. We will prove the result in the two parts. Part 1, p star contains only additional point of division. Let p star is equal to a equals to x0 x1 x2 so on xt minus 1 z xt plus 1 so on xn equals to b. Let capital M1 dash small m1 dash m1 capital M1 double dash small m1 double dash be the least upper bound and greatest lower bound of f of x in interval closed interval xt minus 1 z and closed interval z and xt respectively, because closed interval x t minus 1 and z and closed interval z and xt are both contained in the closed interval xt minus 1 and xt. So greatest lower bound of f of x such that xt minus 1 is less than equal to of x is less than equal to of z, which is greater than greatest lower bound of f of x such that xt minus 1 is less than equal to x is less than equal to of xt. Greatest lower bound of f of x such that z is less than equal to of x is less than equal to of xt, which is greater than equal to of greatest lower bound of f of x such that xt minus 1 is less than equal to of x is less than equal to of xt, and least upper bound of f of x such that xt minus 1 is less than equal to of x is less than equal to of z is less than equal to of least upper bound of f of x such that xt minus 1 is less than equal to of x is less than equal to of xt. Least upper bound of closed interval least upper bound of f of x such that z is less than equal to of x is less than equal to of xt less than equal to of least upper bound of f of x such that xt minus 1 is less than equal to of x is less than equal to of xt. So we have m1 dash is greater than equal to of mt dash, and small m1 double dash is less than equal to of small mt, and capital M1 dash is less than equal to of capital MT, and M1 double dash is less than equal to of MT. Now we have lower bound of partition P star F is equal to of sigma I varying from 1 to t minus 1 small mi delta I plus small m1 dash z minus xt minus 1 plus small m1 double dash xt minus z plus sigma I varying from t plus 1 to n small mi delta I, which is greater than equal to of I varying from sigma I varying from 1 to t minus 1 small mi delta I plus small mt z x t minus 1 plus small mt x t minus z plus sigma I varying from t plus 1 to n small mi delta I of the equation 1. So which employs sigma I varying from t minus 1 sigma mi delta I plus mi z x t minus 1 plus x t minus z plus sigma I varying from t plus 1 to n mi delta I equals to sigma I varying from 1 to n mi delta I equals to lower bound of partition PF. So lower bound of partition PF is greater than equal to of lower bound of partition PF. Similarly, we have to prove we can prove that lower bound of partition P star F is less than equal to of upper bound partition of F. Part second, P star contains a number says S a additional points of division. Here P1, P2, so on, PS minus 1, PS is equal to P star, the partition satisfying P equal to P0 is subset of P1 is subset of P2 and so on is subset of PS minus 1 is subset of PS equals to P, such that the Pi contains just points more than that points in partition T minus 1 for I equals to 1, 2 and so on S. So lower bound of partition PS of function F is greater than lower bound of partition PS minus 1 of function F is greater than equal to of lower bound of partition PS minus 1 F is greater than equal to of lower bound of partition PF. P1 function F is greater than equal to of lower bound partition PF, and upper bound of partition PSF is less than equal to of upper bound partition PS minus 1 function F is less than equal to upper bound of partition PS minus 2 of function F is less than equal to of so on less than equal to of upper bound of partition P1 of function F is less than equal to of upper bound of partition P function F, which employs L P star partition P star function F is greater than equal to of L function partition P function F, and U upper bound of partition P star and function F is less than equal to of upper bound partition P and function F.